Hey guys, today we're doing Tokaboka, and I re-downloaded it, so of course it's gonna be building again. Oh. Nice. What if I get a free gift? It would be good if I get a free gift. I want a free gift. Okay, I have lots and lots of worlds. But I don't have the boating apartment side. Because that's the only place I have is the tree house. I think it's a tree house. I don't know. I got the university for $3. Lots and lots of worlds. I even have Pom-Pom Peaks, which I have 3 places there. Oh, and I even have 3 places here. Okay, this is lots of places. And we're going in here. Hold on. Dog, you cat. He's burning. You are gonna burn. The tomato is the cat is burning. Ha ha! He's just burning and burning. Can you eat him? Oh, you can't. You cannot eat him. Next time I get a token, I'm getting the arcade. Oh, tofu. Oh, nice. Oh my God, what is that? Oh, why is this big line here? How long is it? It goes all the way outside. Okay, I should make a movie theater. I should make a movie theater. I'm making a movie theater with that. And I need this sign for it. Okay, today we're making a movie theater. And you know the biggest place to do it. You know the biggest house to do it. Well, we're gonna use this one though. Ow. Bandit. Oh. And then I should make that basket. I don't know. Like that place where you can wash your clothes. Like if you don't have a washing machine at your house, and you don't have a washing machine and you don't have a dryer at your house. I'm gonna make that at the Modern Mansion. Or it might be here. I don't know. But let's just... Oh, I was making a movie theater. Okay. With that big line. Okay, how big is that line? Big as your mama? That's as far as it is. Okay, that's crazy. And then we're gonna get like a red. We're gonna get red shape. Red because of the movie theater. Because the movie theater walls are red. Is this red? Okay, it is. It's not tall enough. It's like where everyone goes. Okay, I need to get one guy from the fancy restaurant. Wait, is it even called the fancy restaurant? Okay, I do not know. I want to see what it's called. I'm going to see what the fancy restaurant is called. Well, what if it is called the fancy restaurant? Yep, it's a fancy restaurant. And it's this guy. What if the man? What? Where'd the line go? Where the heck did the line go? Oh my god. Now I can't make a movie theater if the line is gone. I was just trying to make a movie theater. But actually, we'll make the washer and dryer place. No need to make a movie theater. But I'm still worried about the movie theater. Okay, do you think this is turning out great? I think it is. I think it's turning out perfect. Yeah, Uncle Please let go and fire. We got one stacking washing machine. Oh my god. Oh dang it, why did it go away? Garbage. And that's our washing machine place. I don't don't even know which place it's called, but they have one in town. That's for sure. Boy. Like and subscribe.